This is the crossword project from the Button Fabazine, and this one is really cute. So what you're going to get within the pack is you're going to get your fabric piece, which is your crossword background. You are going to get 34 of the little buttons like this. Now these are a little bit special because they've got 9 holes in, and those 9 holes are what are going to allow you to stitch those letters in. Now when they come to you, they'll probably be a little bit like this and might have some of their kind of holes still in. If you just take a pin, you'll be able to push those out fairly easily. And then what you're going to do is stitch the buttons to the fabric with your letters on. So there is a suggestion in the pack of what words you might want to put in here, and we've kind of designed a crossword so everything fits, but you can of course change these and put words that relate to you in there if you want to. So from here, I'll just flip it over to the back so you can see. I've actually stitched each of these letters in individually and tied them off. That's my preferred way of doing it. You can of course span across if you want to. I prefer to sew them in like this, and you can see the letters on the back are almost the same as the letters on the front, so I've kind of followed along and stitched back on myself. So for example, for the T, best advice is always to try and start in the center of a letter if you can. So for the T, I will stitch that down leg, come back up, and then stitch that top leg, come back up here into the middle, back up there into the middle, and then tie it off. So really simple, and there are suggestions for each of these letters in the pack as well. Once you fill this, or you don't have to fill it, you can put as many in as you're happy with, then you need to come to this part. So this part is what you'll get within your kit. These will form part of one of your Batoonie projects, so we don't need those, we just need these 2 pieces out the side. And what you'll do is you'll pop those. You can see they're held in by a little kind of notch here and there, but if you push them they will pop out, and what you'll get is this. So this will be your frame. So to add the frame, we're going to take the smaller of the 2 and just pop the fabric over the top. I'm just going to try and make sure that we've got like a nice amount all the way around and we're nice and even. And then we're going to lay this other one over the top. Let me just get the corner in there. There we go. And push that into place. There you go. And that's going to create a frame for your crossword. Now, that's not too bad. If it is wonky, you can just undo it and redo it until you get it straight. Once you've got it straight, you need to flip it over onto the back. Just pull these a little bit tighter. And then just with a little bit of tape, usually masking tape, just tape these onto the back so you've got a nice neat finish and you don't have any raw edges showing. And then that will be your crossword project complete.